In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom indicator on TradingView. By the end, you'll have a custom indicator added to your TradingView chart, whether it's a private invite-only script or a public one, and you'll see it plotting live on the chart. First, open TradingView. On your browser or desktop app, bring up the TradingView home screen so you can access the charting tools. Next, open a chart. From the TradingView interface, open any symbol you want to analyze. If you're on the home page, go to Chart, then load the instrument you plan to use with the indicator. You need a chart on screen because indicators attach directly to a chart. Now, click Indicators. At the top of the chart, find the Indicators button. Click it once to open the Indicators panel. This is where all indicators are organized and where you can search for the exact script you want. From here, click Invite-Only Scripts if your indicator is private, or click Public Library if it's a public indicator. Invite-only scripts are private indicators that require the author's permission to use. If the indicator you want is private, it will appear under Invite-only scripts after you've been granted access. Public Library contains indicators that are available to everyone. Click the correct section based on the type of custom indicator you're adding. Once that's done, search the indicator name. In the search field at the top of the panel, type the exact name of the indicator. As you type, TradingView filters the list. Make sure you match the name precisely to avoid adding a different script with a similar title. If you're in the Invite-Only Scripts section and you don't see it, confirm that you're looking in Invite-Only Scripts and that you have access. If you're in the public library and there are many results, scan for the correct author name or the exact title to ensure you select the right one. At this point, click the indicator to add. In the results list, click once on the indicator's title. TradingView immediately applies it to your open chart. You'll see the plots appear either on the main chart with price or in a separate panel below depending on the indicator type. Look to the top left of the chart area to confirm the indicator's name is listed, which indicates it's active. If your chart was already zoomed in or cluttered, you may need to glance around the chart area to notice the new lines or signals. This is normal, and the indicator is running as soon as it's added. If the script is invite-only and you don't have access yet, it won't be available to add from invite-only scripts. In that case, the panel simply won't let you add it. If it's public, a single click from the public library is all you need. This keeps the process simple and ensures you only add indicators you can use. Now watch how the indicator reacts as you move the chart or change symbols. The plots should update instantly, confirming the indicator is active. If you searched and clicked the correct name, but the on-chart result looks different than expected, verify the title matches exactly what you intended to add and that you clicked it from the correct section. That's all you need for adding a custom indicator on TradingView. Open TradingView, open a chart, click Indicators. Choose Invite-Only Scripts or Public Library. Search the indicator name and click it to add. With these steps complete, your indicator is now attached to the chart and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.